Hey guys, I bought the worst rated slimes on the internet and I'm going to see if they're actually that bad. This is definitely inspired by those videos on YouTube where people go to the worst rated blank. I've been watching a ton of those videos. They're really entertaining. This is not as risky as that for sure. So I just looked up slime on Amazon and I could actually filter out to only show me listings that are 1 star and up. There actually weren't that many listings that were 1 to 2 stars. Most of them I saw were 3 stars, but still I would say 3 stars is average, borderline, not that great. I came across this listing and the title was 2018 newest yellow pineapple butter fluffy slime, super soft and non-sticky, and it's 7 ounces. This tells me that I'm probably buying a 1-year-old slime because it says 2018. Right off the bat, I already got not a good feeling on top of seeing it's 3 stars with 18 reviews. But the pictures look really good and professional. In the description, it says that it's a butter slime, 7 ounces, and I will get a pineapple charm. It's scented like pineapples, easy storage, non-sticky, and absolutely safe, blah blah blah. Okay, so usually on Amazon they show you the top rated reviews at the beginning, and I already see negative reviews. This one says, buyer beware, not like the picture. If I could give this 0 stars, I would. It looks nothing like the picture. Should be priced at 50 cents. It's a ripe off. I think they meant rip off. And a couple more 1-star reviews. The top one says, do not buy, arrived spilled and all over the box, but won't allow me to return. Garbage. Ooh, that one was a little harsh. Buyer beware. Horrible. My daughter buys and makes slime all the time. This is not slime. It's hard and sticky and does not stretch. It has a horrible toxic odor. Also, do not buy. Clearly, these reviews are telling me not to buy this product, but I bought it. Oh, by the way, I got this for $8.99 for a 7 ounce, which is not a bad price at all, reasonable. So far, everything is going fine. The container is really pretty, and it also has this extra lid protection thingy, which I thought was really nice. And boy, oh boy, this is a really good slime. I already loved it the first moment I poked it. It had a pineapple charm, just like it says in the description. Now it says that it would smell like pineapples, but nah, this does not smell like pineapples. This smells like Clorox wipes, so not that pleasant. But the slime itself is amazing, and the color is so vibrant. It's stretchy, it's pokeable, it's not sticky, it's just so nice. It looks exactly like the pictures. So those negative reviews did not apply to me at all. This could just vary from person to person. The next listing also has a long title, but this is even longer. Fairy Putty Fluffy Unicorn Cloud Slime Fluffy Foam Stress Relief. I'm not even gonna bother. It's 8 ounces. So the pictures for this listing, it showed 2 different kind of containers. So it showed the slimes, it looks like cloud slime, being stacked vertically. Then it shows it being divided in 3 sections. So I don't even know which one I'm going to get. In the description, it says that it's a 3-layered unicorn cloud slime. It's gonna have a unicorn charm and a chocolate stick, scented cotton candy. Okay, let's go to the reviews. So it looks like from the pictures right there that you just saw, it looks like I'm going to get the container where it's divided in 3 sections. And the top review, the first review, is a negative review. Bad slime. My daughter was so excited to spend her hard-earned money on this slime. While it was pretty, the consistency was terrible. It was really gross when we opened it. It was not fluffy. It was more crumbly, but somehow still wet. We googled ideas to make it better, but nothing we did worked. We wound up having to throw it in the garbage. And more negative reviews. Item is not as described. Item is not as pictured nor as described. It has a different labeling, referred to photos attached, and is in a different type of container. And we got more negative reviews below that. Scam, not same item as pictured, wrong quantity, stated 8 ounces, received 5 ounces. The container was not same as pictures shown. There was not a unicorn topping as shown. So it seems like a common thing between these reviews is how it's not like the picture, the container is different. I got the container where the 3 layers were divided in 3 sections. This looks pretty dang close to the listing, although I do think the seller should have made it clear which type of container the customer would get because there were shown 2 types of containers. So mine did had a unicorn charm, but it didn't have a chocolate stick like it said in the description. Let's start off with the pink slime. So this is a cloud slime. It has some sprinkles. All of the 3 layers have sprinkles, and I thought this was a really great cloud slime. It stretches really well. There was very minimal fallout. It smelled like sweet tea, had a really pleasant smell. Moving on to the blue slime, so this was similar to the pink slime. It scented the same, the texture was the same. These slimes do not smell like cotton candy like it says. And finally, we have the white slime. So this one would be my favorite just because it looks like snow, probably because it's made of instant snow. And I just love snow, so this one was a little more crumbly than the blue and pink one, but like not a big deal. It was still overall the same. In conclusion, I think this slime was amazing and I had a good experience with it. Also, I really liked how the 3 layers were divided with a separate divider in the same container. Never seen that before. This listing and the previous listing had a ton of reviews and a 3-star rating, but it's a combination of different types of slimes instead of focusing on one individual slime. So just because it's a 3-star rating, it doesn't mean the slime that I'm getting is gonna be bad. We will see about that. So immediately I see positive reviews and I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in the slimes that make this listing a 3-star average. Let's keep scrolling and scrolling. Once I switched it to the most recent reviews, I see the negative ones and they're all for this blue cake listing. Packaged poorly. This product sucked. It was super hard on the top when we opened the package this year. Was totally in the middle of the container. Packaged very badly. Would not recommend. Dried out slime. For the price of this dried out slime that looks nothing as presented, I would purchase something else. So the description for this blue cake slime says that it's a cloud slime, and then it just proceeds with various advertising and marketing terms that I'm not gonna bother reading. And then in the title it says that it's a 4 ounce. This slime had an extra wrapping around it, so I thought that was nice. And from like first impressions, yeah, I can see why those reviews say it doesn't look like the listing, because it doesn't. And this is definitely not a cloud slime. This is a butter slime, it seems like. And it had this like clear gooey liquid that was oozing out of the slime immediately. Low-key, I was not really comfortable with playing with this slime after seeing that. In the picture, it looked like I would get various foam chunks, styrofoam pieces, sprinkles, but I barely got it here. Also, the pink foam beads kept falling off, so it was a little annoying to play with it. It did have the lollipop charm, like in the picture. It didn't say what it would smell like, but it smelled good. It smelled like blueberries. It was stretchy and squishy. The texture is great, but how it was presented in the description and pictures and everything is misleading. So this is a different slime, but it's under the same listing as the previous one, and this review caught my eye. So it says, this is what I thought I was getting compared to what was advertised or delivered, sorry. It was also open. This is what I thought I was getting compared to, okay, I said that. It was also open. It's a gift, so I was hoping for at least a decent packaging it's advertised in. Disappointed for the money, hoping it's defective and new one will come soon. So I wanted to see if I would experience the same thing as this person. The pictures for this listing look similar to the previous one. This one is called Strawberry Cake, so I can see why. In the description it says that it's a cloud slime and it's 4.2 ounces. So this one didn't have that extra wrapping like the previous one. As soon as I opened it, I thought it looked really pretty, had a lot of toppings, but the toppings were loose. Beautiful charms, really cute, really colorful. It just had way too many toppings that I had to pour the extra out because I was scared of it spilling everywhere when I get the slime out of the container. And because the slime is slightly dry, the toppings wouldn't mix into it when I poke it.
Oh, hell no.
Also, it had this weird, I don't know what it is, like some kind of rotten pieces in the slime. It was kind of disgusting that I didn't want to play with the slime at all. So I just played with a small amount, and the slime texture is not that great. It seemed like it would be stretchy, but then it rips towards the end. I don't remember what it smelled like because I threw it away after filming this. Not that it really matters because overall I just don't recommend this one at all. And this was not a cloud slime. One last thing I want to mention before I end this video is packaging. Amazon packaging. I don't know if you experienced this, I'm sure you may have. It is known for no matter what size your product is, like if it's small, they're still gonna put it in their standard size big packaging. It's just like not convenient because there's extra space. If there's no padding, it's more prone to breakage and leakage. Just not good for slimes. When you compare it to Etsy, and they are responsible for their own packaging. However, one good thing is that if you got Prime, you can get the slimes in 2 days, whereas compared to Etsy, it's various shipping times. You can most likely have to wait longer than that. So there are pros and cons to everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.